Hi, this is Omar from Group Consultancies, and this is segment 1 of part 2 of our CRM system. This part 2, is a theoretical introduction to the concept of CRM systems, and to answer the question, what's in it for you? What's in the CRM system for you? So let's start with the definition. What is CRM? What does it stand for? CRM stands for Contact Relationship Management, though it is widely known in the market as Customer Relationship Management. However, this system, the CRM system, does not only manage the company's relationship with their customers. They manage the company's relationship with employees, the company's relationship with the suppliers, and the company's relationship with the whole contacts, including competitors, for example, governmental bodies, etc. This is why the true name for the CRM system is Contact Relationship Management. So what's in it for you? Why we need a CRM system? Well, management has many aspects. However, the most two important aspects in management are planning and control. And companies cannot do proper planning and proper control without proper recording, because proper planning and control require proper, accurate and sufficient data. And the prerequisite requirement for sufficient data is the ability to record data when it happens. This is why companies cannot do proper planning and control without proper recording. Let's clarify this more. How we manage contact relationships, how we manage customer relationships, how we manage supplier relationships. What is contact management? In a nutshell, contact management is about the planning, controlling, and following up the transactions that happen between contacts. For example, suppose an employee has an appointment with a customer. Now, this appointment is part of a plan, because the definition of a plan is a scheduled set of activities aimed to achieve an objective. So this appointment is scheduled and definitely it is aimed to achieve an objective. So it is part of a plan. Now, what happens in that appointment is the transactions that happen between the employee and the customer. Whether it was agreement or disagreements, whether it was objections or explanations, this is the transactions. And we can just call it the result of the appointment. And the purpose of the CRM system is to record that appointment and the transactions that happened in that appointment. That is the result of the appointment. So after 1 year, if we look at the employee record and hit the history, we can see the appointment and we can see the results of that appointment. And also if we hit the customer record and look for history, we need to see that appointment as well and the result of that appointment. And here we enter the CRM space. Now, companies that don't have a CRM system depend on memory for their planning and control. However, memory is a bad storage for data. As we have said before, proper planning and control require proper, accurate and sufficient data. Some companies depend on Excel sheets. However, Excel sheets are not very efficient for recording complex transactions. And here we can answer the question, what's in it for you, what's in the CRM for you. The CRM system will contain the errors and limitations of memory for planning and control. And as data is recorded in the CRM system, there will be sufficient data for the process of planning and control for the company. And this is a big step. This is a very big step. That is to depend on accurate data rather than depending on the data in the memory. Now, any CRM system in the market needs to have at least 3 modules. The contacts module, or the contacts database, here where you register the contacts related to the company, customers, suppliers, employees, competitors even, governmental body, any contacts that are related to the business of the company. And then you have the schedule management module, which is the module who makes the appointments and scheduled activities for contacts and record the results for these scheduled activities. And when we say record, not only record for one contact, whenever a shared appointment happened between contacts, this information is shared to all the history of each contact. So for example, if you look at one contact, you will see that result, and you look at another contact, you will see that result. And the third module is the document management module, where the CRM user is able to upload document related to a specific contact. Now, we call our CRM system Total CRM because we added more modules to the system than the basic set. We have the 3 basic modules, the contacts module, schedule management module, and document management module, but also we have the project module and the finance module. And this is not an accounting module. This is a cash flow module. Now, we believe that the accounting system and the CRM system need to be separated, so to give the accounting system more security. However, the accounting department can distribute finance information to other members in the company through the CRM system. And also the accounting department can use the CRM system to upload documents, finance documents in the system, because most of the accounting system does not have document management module. So we have the finance module, we have the stock module, which is the materials and the materials in store. We have the knowledge base module, which is a system that you can create with it many databases customized to the company's needs. And then you have the changed log module, which is an important module. Any changes happened in the system will be recorded. So if somebody changed anything in the record, this change will be recorded in the system. And this will give 2 things. It will provide a safety net for the human errors and the human weaknesses. And also it will provide the management with an indirect way of supervision, indirect process for supervision. So the management can enter the changed log module, and they will look for any changes that happened in the system today and the previous day. They will make the notes and they will discuss what they think need to be discussed in the next meeting. So it is an indirect way for supervision for the management. This was a quick theoretical introduction to the concept of CRM systems. In the next segment, we will discuss the 2 options for the back ends of our CRM system. The storage in our CRM system has 2 options. Either it is MySQL server or Access database. We also can provide for the third option, which is SQL server, but at the moment we have these two options, either MySQL Server or Access database, and we will discuss this in the next segment. We will start the practical introduction to our CRM system in part 3. This is the end of this video. Thank you for watching.